John, please leave my hand. I have spent most of my day with you. My family must be waiting for me.
Oh, honey, can you please stay for a few more minutes? I know your mom wouldn't mind. We are already engaged, and you are my friend as well.
I hate when you blackmail me.
My pleasure.
Hello, John. You didn't come home today.
Yeah, I am kind of scared of your daughter.
I know.
I am going out of the city for work. Could you please convince Lily? I don't know why she is being anxious about it.
Oh, you don't worry about it. I'll handle this.
Mom, why did you allow John to go out of the city? You know he is a rough driver, especially when he is angry.
Honey, please try to trust him. He wants to grow. Let him do it.
Come on, Lily. Don't be upset. It's our wedding next month. I want you to be happy.
I know something doesn't feel right. Please don't go, honey.
I promise I am going to call you every day. Please don't be upset. Now help me complete my shopping, please.
Okay, I'll help you with the shopping.
Can we have coffee now as you are not upset with me anymore?
I can't help it.
I know, honey. Lily, help me adjust my luggage, please.
It looks like you are going for a month and not for a week.
Have a safe journey, John.
I heard in the news that the weather is not good. Please drive carefully. And if it gets severe, please stay in a motel for a while.
Okay, Mom.
Hey, John. It's not safe to call when you are driving. When will you reach the hotel?
Easy there. You're sounding just like Mom. I was just missing you. There's a gas station nearby. I'll stay there for a while. I'm missing you a lot, Lily.
I love you, honey, and I missed you too.
Have you had lunch? You should go out with your friends.
Yeah, I'll be going on a field trip with university.
Please take care of yourself.
You too. Love you.
Please have a seat, sir. What would you like to have?
Can I have a burger with sizzling steak sauce and cappuccino?
Sure.
Is it just today or the weather is usually cold here?
It is unusual. Normally, it is not that cold. In fact, there is heavy fog today as well. If you are planning to go out for work, you should do it tomorrow morning. It's better to stay tonight.
It won't be possible, but I'll see. Please get my order. I will use the restroom meanwhile. 1 black coffee, please.
Sure, sir.
When will the roads be cleared?
The roads should be cleared by 7 in the morning.
Thank God I was worried. I will be leaving early then. Hey, Mom, you woke up early.
Yeah, I was worried about you. How are you doing?
I am good. I just had my breakfast, and I am now leaving for work. How is Lily? Mom, is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. Please take care of yourself.
John, will you be staying here for a few days?
Yes, that's the plan. It'll probably take another 2 days. Let's schedule the client's meeting for tomorrow so we can finish the work sooner.
All right, John, as you wish.
Hello, Auntie. How are you? And how's Lily? Do you know she hasn't talked to me for 4 days now, but don't worry, I'll come back and win her back.
John, Lily has been kidnapped.
What? No, how did this happen? Why has no one told me this before?
She said she was going out with her university friends. But when she didn't come back until late at night and didn't contact anyone, I got worried. Her phone is switched off as well.
Have you talked to any of her friends?
Yes, but none of them know anything about this field trip. Oh, I just remembered Lucy told me that she went with Michael.
With Michael? That bastard. I won't let him get away with this. Steve, book my return flight right away.
But John, there's a client meeting tomorrow. It's really important for the company.
The meeting isn't more important than my Lily. I need to go back immediately.
All right, I'll check the flights. Don't worry.